Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking to you about checkers. So this is my checkers set. It is a cloth checkers game. You see all the checkers in here. So if you don't know about checkers or how to play, I'm going to show you how you do that. So basically it's only a two-player game. Someone has the black checkers and someone has the red checkers. So you basically take this board game, and this is basically a floor game, because of just the big the big checkerboard. But there are games out there that have the checkerboard much more compact, and you can play it on a surface like this. But this is our checkerboard. So I have the game of checkers right here, and I'm going to, you're supposed to place them on the black squares. So I'm going to place these, and then I got the black checkers. Okay, so this is how a full board will look like with all checker pieces in place. So I'm going to go first here, and I'm going to put myself forward, and then the other person is going to put themselves forward. I might choose to go like this. They may choose to go like that. Now, I can go like this right here and take their piece, but I can't go backwards. So if you have a young kid that wants to be funny, and it's like, oh, I'll win and I'll get two pieces, it doesn't work like that. They can only go forward. So then the other person is going to respond by, and this isn't a king, it's not supposed to be, by going like this and basically canceling my piece out. And then I'm going to respond by going like this. And then I'm going to take this piece right here. So if I separate up here, say I'm playing with myself, I got two here, one here, and then it is the other person's move. So they may choose to move forward, and I may choose to block them, and they may choose to go over here, and I may choose to jump them. So now I have another piece. They may go forward, I'll jump them here. Oops. They take me, and it's a long game, but some people are pretty good at it. So then let's say if they go here, and then they go here, and then they go here, and then I go like this, and then I take my piece away, and then they go forward. Let's say I choose to go forward like this, and then they say, oh, I'll go like this. A lot of people catch on pretty quick. They won't make this move, but I'm just showing you an example of what would happen if if I got to the other end here. So I jump them, I take their piece, and then king me. So you take one of the pieces, and then you're king, and then you can go backwards and forwards. You can go over here, you can jump over here, take a piece here, You know, they can still move and everything, but, you know, you basically go until you're at the very end and you really have no moves left, and, you know, basically the person with the most pieces would win. You can take people's kings, so, you know, say I was the person running the red checkers, and they jump me. They have my king, and then my king's gone, and you just keep on playing until you have a winner. I was never good at checkers, but I do know people that are very good at checkers, and it's a really good board game when your kids have a snow day from school, something like that. Keep them busy, and I would highly recommend.